Hello and welcome to my channel all about decoupage. Hi, I'm Veronica and today we're gonna do a cute kitties ornament set of 2. If you have any questions after watching this video, just let me know in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. So for the kitties ornaments, I've chose plastic medallion and I am painting it twice with white paint. Let it dry between each layer. With plastic ornaments, it is good to treat them before painting with some alcohol to make sure there is no grease onto them. I have these cute kitties printed out on rice paper and I am cutting them out with water pen. I never cut out my designs with scissors because I don't like the sharp endings. If you don't have water pen, just use classic small brush and little bit of water. Then I am tearing up the images in few places so they will be fitting better onto the ornament. Then I am applying a little bit of decoupage glue on the ornament itself, and then I am sealing the image on the ornament with some more decoupage glue. Make sure there is no excess glue after you are done gluing it, because that will dry out white, not clear. And of course you can use Mod Podge if you don't have this classic decoupage glue. All material will be listed in description box below. If I cannot find the same exact material I use, I will be putting something similar to it. After gluing the images on the ornament, I let the whole thing dry. Here are the paints I use for the ornaments, and of course you can use whatever paints you prefer. As you can see, I am going also inside the rice paper itself. This way I get better blending on the whole ornament. So don't be afraid to change the color of the rice paper. As you can see, my rice paper around the image, around the kitties, was white, but now I am painting it beige. Just go ahead and paint the whole ornament with paints you prefer and have fun with it. As you know, I am not a painter, I just go with it and I paint until I like the outcome of the painted ornament. If you like these kinds of videos, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And maybe even let me know in comments what kind of theme ornament you would like to see, and maybe give me a challenge. If you don't want to make your own ornaments, I do have an Etsy shop where you can find some available ornaments for sale. If you don't see an ornament you like, just shoot me a message, and I love doing custom orders for my customers. The link to my Etsy shop will be also in description box below. So after watching, please go ahead and check out my store as well. With small brush, paints and water, I am applying small dots on the ornaments, and then everything must dry before we going on to the next step. After the ornaments are dry, I am applying glitter decoupage glue. This step is fully optional and you don't have to do it if you don't have glitter decoupage glue. If you do, again, just make sure there is no excess of the glue because it will dry out white, not clear. Then after the decoupage glue was dry, I am applying 3 to 4 layers of pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish as well. The varnish should be then water-based, of course. The glaze makes the ornament more glass looking, and more layers you are applying, the better shine you get. On the sides of the ornaments, I am using some molds as an air drying clay. I am gluing it all with express glue from Pentart. I am carefully pressing the clay onto the ornament so I don't destroy the image of the mold. And after everything I want to be there on the ornament is there, I let the whole thing dry before I am painting the clay part of the ornament. On the top of the ornament, I am applying a cat clay head. Before you do that, make sure your cap of the ornament is on, because after the clay is dry, it would be difficult to put the cap on the ornament. After the clay part is dry, I am painting the clay parts of the ornament, and also I am painting the cap inside the ornament as well. I am applying the paint on the whole part of the clay of the ornament, and I am wiping off any excess of the paint with wet towel and making sure there is nothing on the ornament itself. Then with a kitchen sponge, which I cut into small pieces, I am applying a little bit of straw paint and ivory paint on the part of the clay of the ornament. Of course, let it dry after. After it is dry, I am sealing it with matte varnish. Of course, you can use glossy one as well. Also, this matte varnish is water-based varnish as well. And here they are, all finished. 2 cute kitties ornaments. I love the way they turn out. Each side is a different kitty. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please do give me a thumbs up or a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming. Until next time, bye.